The KTM 690 Smc R obliterates the competition, proving itself as the undisputed king of its class. Providing the rider with agile handling, best-in-class power, and rider-focused ergonomics, the KTM 690 Smc R embodies the notion of ready to race with 110% dedication to its craft. Legendary KTM LC4 single-cylinder powerhouse, still as bulletproof and hard-hitting as ever, but updated from the previous generation with new clutch and stator covers, an all-new crankcase, an improved oil delivery system, and, most importantly, more performance. Riders can use track mode to toggle additional settings like launch control, anti-wheelie mode, a slip adjuster, and motor slip regulation at the touch of a button. Familiar trellis frame, manufactured from lightweight sections of top-quality chrome-molybdenum steel tubing. Front fork maximum supermoto control is enhanced by the WP Apex 48 upside-down fork. Damping can easily be adjusted via the dials on top of both fork tubes, with 30 clicks of adjustment each. Rear shock. The WP Apex shock absorber is specially tuned for supermoto and is connected to the swing arm by a linkage. Powerful LED headlight and LED indicators. Not only do these work when the world becomes dark. A 4.2-inch H42 TFT dashboard takes prime position ahead of the rider, featuring a unique, specially designed user interface to suit the compact screen size. The KTM 690 Smc R features an 35-in, 890mm seat height with an ultra-grippy seat cover that perfectly matches its striking in-mold decal set. Brakes. The tried and tested Brembo M4.32 monoblock caliper is fitted to the front. Lightweight discs, 320mm diameter front and 240mm on the rear wheel. Bodywork with an ergo triangle specifically designed to cater to everything from fast corners to casual commutes. The KTM 690 Smc R boasts aggressive, slim bodywork. This has been perfectly styled to allow for easy transitions between riding on the street and the odd dirt section. The bodywork is also made from proven, flexible, and long-lasting PP plastic material that is better suited for supermoto and aggressive riding.